Junior's body depicts a prisoner of war tortured in a concentration camp. Deep cuts and marks of assault spread over his back, hands and thigh, with 2 huge bumps on the forehead. As little as he is, Junior is able to narrate what happened to him. Bob is Junior's 26-year-old mother who dated the child's father, a national service person, for about 7 years. The relationship collapsed because of what she alleges was physical abuse by the man.
Bibia ni bufua wachio wihini for beka wena ne namswa mini ni jaye misimanshe ya meshure menkwa.
Ebenezer reportedly took the child on a weekly visitation and started abusing him. She says it took the intervention of police at Bokrum to rescue the child, despite attempts by the father to conceal the act.
Anytime when I called him, he refused to pick my calls. And I decided to go there and check on the child. But he said no. So I reported him to the police. So I came with the police and they took my son to the police station. Then that I know my son is several injuries on his body.